Good morning, 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 good morning. So, sorry I got sidetracked. There was a truck delivering items, hopefully for some Christmas gifts for me, but no. So yes, oh my God. So peeps, yes, I know my face is rough, looking a mess, but I am actually about to go get a haircut here soon. Honestly, today has just been a rough morning. First of all, I have like super glue all over my hands. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, there's super glue all over my hands first. And then second, I broke my glasses, so that didn't make anything any better. So I'm actually about to show you all. Look at this. I broke my glasses, like, and I tried to super glue it back together, but it didn't work. So yes, so it is like 8 in the morning. I'm about to go get a haircut, and then I'm about to, my phone, yes, that's one thing I want to show you all too, if I can find it. So my phone broke like day before yesterday. It cracked, like look at it, like it's hit. So yeah, I have to go look at that, get that taken care of. And go grocery shopping because I really need to get food. So I'm actually going to get ready, and I will catch you all on the flip side. Okay peeps, I am finally dressed up and ready. Swear my phone is ringing, so let me see who's calling. Hopefully it's nobody really important. It's Edwin. Good morning, Edwin. Good morning, friend. What are you doing? Oh, you're so out. Huh? Oh, you about to go clock out? I'm about to go to the barbershop. Literally, I am filming, so you're gonna hear yourself. You're not gonna hear you, but you're gonna like see yourself talking. Not really, but yeah. Honestly, yeah, filming, like literally talking to you, and the camera's in front of me right now, and it is on. It is filming. I'm already running late for my haircut appointment. I'm about to text him and be like running like a couple minutes late. Yeah. So you all, we are currently in the car, and I'm driving to the barbershop, and I'm actually late. So, but we're not gonna make it on time because traffic is here. Oops, yeah, because of traffic. So, yeah, I'm probably about to jam a little bit. Oh, look at the lake. Look at the beautiful lake. Can y'all see the lake? Over there. Ooh, don't get into a wreck now. Trying to show y'all the lake. These guards come up. So yeah, I'm pretty sure none of y'all want me to get into a wreck. So I'm just going to stop recording and just keep driving, okay? Because it's getting very dangerous out here in these streets. So peeps, so as you can tell, we're back in my place. I did get my hair cut. You know, your boy did get a little haircut, looking a little gorge or whatever. So with that being said, we actually have to go get my phone. So I did drop off my phone at iFix Your Eye. That's what the place is called. So I dropped my phone off there. So we're about to go pick it up. It's been about 2 hours. So what I've been doing, actually, I ate a sandwich because I was starving with some chips from Publix. Because Publix is fire. And as well as, yeah, that's all I did. And I went to the gas station to get gas. Other than that, I didn't do too much. So yes, just, yeah, we're on the way to go get my phone and we're gonna see what it looks like. I'm super excited because my phone was broken and now it's fixed. They're like busy bee. Right now, because yeah, we don't. How are you again? Yes. I'm back. I'm back. I got my phone back. So peeps, yeah, so I decided to actually, so yeah, I got my phone fixed, so I decided to actually go to this little open area to do like a little relaxing R&R. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that for a little bit. It looks like there are some people out here. Hopefully they are not taking up the whole place, which it doesn't look like it, but we're about to find out. Thank you. Those are the people that I was talking about, that I was saying that was already out here. But we want this area over here. So I think we'll be fine. tell you, it is so warm out here. It feels good. It's a good breeze. There's like real no complaints. Like, I'm actually probably gonna edit this when I get home and go from there. I'm a little out of breath. That's why I'm taking a long time with my sentences, because your boy is tired, like legitimately tired. So yeah, so I would catch you all probably when I get home. I'm probably gonna take a shower and wind down. It's still super early, so yeah. I have a big day tomorrow. I have to go out of town for work, so hopefully that goes over well. But yeah, so I don't know if you know what I know, but clearly this is how I'm talking to y'all. It's through my phone and my camera. What I'm trying is like a new thing. So hopefully it works. If it doesn't, we know. If it do work, then we know as well. So I'm not gonna be too disappointed about what's going on. I didn't really do much. So yeah, so y'all, I'm gonna get up, go get me a little drink.